I hope you all guys are doing awesome and welcome back to this video. If you still stick with me, you must have a dream in your life, and I'm sure you guys will successful in your life. I hope you guys will. And let's start today's video. What we will learn in today's video, first of all, we will understand what is HTML. Again, we are not understanding it. What is HTML? In the theory part, we are understanding it by code, and you guys will understand it the basic structure, and you guys have a lot of work today. You must have a pen and paper. You will note the points and later you will try it on your own, and I hope you guys will do it. So let's go. The first thing we are learning in today's video, if you type HTML in this file, HTML, you will see these things. First of all, if you see this all thing, why it's coming, so it's emit abbreviation. It's by default with the VS Code, and this is the beauty of VS Code. You see there is HTML, HTML5, and XML. We are not looking at XML right now, not HTML. If you see there is HTML5, click on it, you will see this thing is appear. And also, once again, if you see type HTML, or if you also type it with the colon and enter, and you guys can see it's again show. But the easiest way, and I think you guys need to know it, is when you press shift and one, again shift and one, you can see this exclamation mark, and when you press enter, you guys can see the same thing we done with writing HTML colon 5. Once again, shift 1 and enter. That's it. Now, what is this means? Dog type HTML. What is this weird thing? From this thing, our browser will understand that this file contains HTML. That's why it's necessary.